All right. What's up? What's up? Okay. What's up, guys? I'm setting up my trade sinker right now. All right. Everybody go ahead and like stream. We just got on here. We got NF. We already had NFP. Everybody like stream. I turned all these on, and then is zero not. Left, straight, left, make it, punch. Okay. All right. If it's not about $1, just pop the ad. All right. All right. I'm gonna post that we're live on the Instagram. On the Instagram. Right, I posted it. Right, I posted it. Turn off that so it stops echoing. What's up, Wise? Posted. I said NFP full port Friday. That's loud. My bad, guys. Oh my gosh, dude, we are just pumping here. See if we deliver off of this high. That's an hourly high there. Is ES going for anything? ES is going for London high here. Take it. Can't tell if it took it. No, I made equal eyes. Really, bro? What account size do I have? 50K? Guys, it's NFP Full Port Friday. Early stream today, yeah, we have NFP. So we have a big data low. Kind of have this. Okay. NQ took out London. Like one con. We're close to putting in this 5-minute though. Do you have any mods for the Discord? No, I don't really need any though. Thank you though. That's like so tiny though. Oh no, it's not that tiny on NQ. Let me do what I used to do actually. Alright, I'll just put MNQ on here. Yeah, it's definitely not gonna give us a chance to get in here. I just have to look for this 3-minute. It's gonna do short break even at the 3-minute, but and now we're about to put in this 5-minute, so I definitely don't want to take this. Unless we just do break even here at the 5-minute. Could just do that. If I look for a limit order here. So that was the inverse there. Could do like a limit order. Okay, so now it would be invalid. Now the only one I could look for would be this 5-minute short to data low here. Okay, we do have this 5-minute here. Marked out data lows for ES. Bro, he's not answering. He's not answering. Well, I do have one mod actually. He's just like a co-owner. Anybody got any questions? I'm probably not gonna take this, by the way. And then this short's probably gonna be break even as well, the one I missed. Well, it's not that I missed, I was looking for a pullback entry, but would have been looking for here at least. So that probably would have been break even there if that's a point below. Yeah, break even. I'd rather look for a setup from up here or like sweep of low and then along. Bro, where's Ian, bro? He said, "Oh, I'm gonna be on at 8:30. I just have to be in bed by 1 a.m. and I'll be fine." What's my win rate? Like 75. Let me check what my win rate is right now. Why doesn't this? There should be a journal on TradeSyncer. It's not showing my journal. Dashboard. Upload the CSV export. Manual upload. And I gotta go to TradeAvate then. Okay. Which account is it? Let me go on. It's gonna be 6. Account 6. 77% win rate. It says, but no, I think it's counting. Yeah, I don't know why it's counting. There's his wins and then there's his losses. Those are break evens. Let me see. It's like when they're off by a couple dollars and it's not a perfect break even, it doesn't count. CSV. Bro, it doesn't even work. Whatever. But yeah, somewhere around there. Like 75. 65 is good for 1 hour. Well, do you target like a locked 1 hour, like whatever TP's like 1 hour, 1.2? Like sometimes I'll be 1.5. You know what I mean? I'm not sure which one you target. Only 1 hour? I mean, it's not that it's good, but it's profitable, so it's not like you need to be any higher, but I would definitely try to get higher. I wouldn't say it's like high, but it's not. It's definitely profitable. Anything above 50 is profitable with a 1 hour. All right, I'm gonna go fill my water, guys. All right. All right, I grabbed some water. I grabbed some water. What's up, Taven? What's up? The data low below. A protected data low. All right. A protected data low, guys. We swept this low inside of this 5-minute gap. So now we have a protected data low. Doesn't mean it won't work. Just means it's not the best thing to look for yet. Maybe we sweep it and get a soup and long for like a 10 a.m. reversal. Or maybe we build some liquidity here, generate some so it's no longer protected, and then do like partial there, and then boom. Boom, guys. We just gotta see what we get. We just gotta see. Lock in, chat. Lock in. Maybe we won't get anything until after market open, which is fine. Already doing really amazing on the week, guys. So at this point, we are just closing out the week. Put in a 5-minute here. Are we like not delivering off anything now, especially if we close above this? Could put in a wick here. Kind of. Oh, that's what's going on here. ES is at all-time highs. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. ES is at all-time highs. So ES is just gonna keep going up and it's gonna drag us with it. How long have I been trading? Like a year and a half. Pretty soon it's gonna pay off. Pot out of just pot break two. Um I really know what to look for here, bro. Um, look for maybe this buy side here. We'll see if we hit these. I mean this. Sorry, I thought it was like relatively buys or something. All right. Seems like we're gonna go to this buy side. Dude, is Ian gonna get on, bro? Why is he not getting on? Am I driving any trades? What do you mean? Have I taken any trades? No. Just chilling. So we right now we have a 15-minute gap. We're about to close an unfilled 15-minute. All right, so right there we formed this 15-minute. We also formed this 5-minute. If we sweep this buy side, we could look for highest time frame inverse to look for a short down to these, like maybe like this. Full TP at the 15-minute. Something like this, guys. I don't know if I want to target that 15-minute, maybe this 5-minute. Yeah, that's 1.8R. Yeah, we don't even have anything on these time frames here. Four-minute could be possible, but it, oh, come on. Made equal highs here. Damn. Seems like 4-minute might be the highest time frame here. I think 4-minute might close at the same time as it. No, they don't close at the same time. I don't think Peanut's here yet, Vlad. Okay, we swept to here. Might put in a new 5-minute here. Gap goes all the way down there. Let's just pump all the way up to all-time highs here. Do want to see our close here. I hope we don't close above this, to be honest. And I'm assuming we're putting in this here. We got 25 minutes until market open, guys. So 4-hour highs as well. Yeah, I marked that out. I don't even know, bro. We're just pumping up here. We don't have anything to hold us down besides like a 15-minute. We don't have any hourly gaps here. We do have an hourly gap here, actually. We're kind of like not delivering off of it, or it doesn't look like it anyways. We just keep moving up, so probably just gonna have to wait till market open. It's weird, we have data lows, but ES is at all-time highs. Bro. I have legs today and I'm contemplating life. I had legs yesterday. J shorts today because it's trending maybe off the 4-hour. What 4-hour, dude? I just need 4 hours here. No gaps, anyways. If you're talking about gaps, talking about highs, we could look for this buy side here, but we're just pumping. Bro, I don't even know what to do right now because price is just being weird. Okay. Looking like we might reject it here. We're about to leave a new 5-minute here though, so we're not even going to be able to look for anything. And there's no gaps there to look for either, so. Cooked. This is the new 5-minute. Bro, I don't even know what to do right now. This is the only problem with some of these NFP days, bro. Some of these NFP days just suck. Some of them are good and you get a good data wick setup, but some of them just suck. Seems like we might actually hold this 15-minute here. There's just nothing here because it's all been green candles and they're all very wicky, so we pretty much just filled all the gaps and everything. We do have an unfilled 15-minute, but that's all the way down there, dude. I don't think we're gonna get anything to it. Sorry if it's boring, but pretty much just waiting for market open at this point. Bro. Mark me for attendance again. Alright, bro, I got you. Vlad was looking for you earlier, bro. Vlad was looking for you earlier. He wanted you. He wanted your peanut, bro. He wanted your peanut, bro. For real. He wanted that peanut. He said, Peanut, I will give you my accounts today. And then he was like, are you here? He didn't say anything. At this point, we're probably just waiting for market open. Dude, I got on with NFP and there was nothing. What is this? Bro. Bro. Yeah, I'm too green on the week to take anything stupid. Obviously, I would like to. Oh. Obviously, I would like to get a good setup today. Because who doesn't want to take a win? But, like, if we don't get anything, we don't get anything. Maybe we get something here. We resweep this buy side. Oh, bro, my feed is full of cat videos. Any trades yet? No. Right now, we're kind of just sitting here waiting for market open. We're almost to market open, guys. Thanks for just sitting here with me waiting. It's my bias, but at this point, I don't really know. I want to see how if this 15-minute holds again. I was bearish earlier, but doesn't seem. Well, I wasn't bearish, but I wanted these data. I was hoping for something to these data lows. Maybe we swept it and got along off of it. I wasn't exactly bullish, but price just continued up. We delivered off this 5-minute, continued up, and just didn't stop at any of the buy side liquidities there. We kind of stopped here, but it wasn't like an instant reaction. We kind of all the way through the gap and everything. Say we're overextended. Yeah, you could say that. They say we're overcooted. Oh, I just spilled water everywhere. Choppy price action. Choppy 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 PA. Choppy PA. Choppy PA, guys. Choppy PA. Bro, this kid said he was gonna be on 8:30 for NFP. This kid is still not on. I'm calling him again. No, he's not answering. Bruh. Dude, he's the laziest trader I think I've ever met. He studies a lot, but I don't know what he's doing right now, bro. I want to build buffers on these accounts so I can use NQ. It's annoying having to switch between NQ and MNQ. Bro, he needs to get on. Bro, we're about to be at market open. Bro, what is he doing? I'm going to sit in VC in the Discord. Maybe he'll join me. Maybe he'll join me in the VC when he gets on. What the hell? We didn't even sweep buy side, dude. What is going on right now? Do we have any other news today? Let's check. Financial juice. Nope, we got nothing else. We got NFP. And nothing else today. We got no more news. So now we are just closing out the week. Let's see if we can get something nice here to close out the week. Maybe a banger setup to end the week. Let's see. See if we get one. Let's see how this 15-minute closes, to be honest. Let me draw this 15-minute. Because I drew out the hourly here. I don't care where the bottom of the gap is, to be honest. Just see if we close above. We got 1 minute till market opens, guys. Who is ready for this insane day of trading, guys? Shoot. Who's ready? That's one trade if I count an NFP. Now I'm for the 350K total. Nice. That was market open? Bruh. We might be cooked. We already touched the 15-minute unfilled. We might actually be cooked here. We might be very, very cooked. Bro, what is going on? What is that? What is that? What is that? What is that? Okay. Didn't close above that. Judas swing and pray. Bro, I'm not longing here, bro. We are way too high to be longing here. Where does this market open, bro? I'm on the 30-second. I'm on the 30-second. It's not even being clean. I was just wicks on here. 1 minute. Oh. Oh. Hey guys. Bro, this is horrible. This is horrible. Bro, I'm not stretching. I'm not stretching on camera, bro. 5-minute inverse, 5 minute. Wait. Good morning, Vietnam. Yeah. That's all the way up there, dude. Highest time frame right now is 15-minute. Yeah. Or more. Today's being weird today. Which one do I pay for? I don't, bro. My draw earlier was data low, but it's kind of like a protected data low, so it's a little weird. Bro, then we just started pumping, dude. I don't know. I was looking for maybe like we took out some buy side here, but ES is at all-time highs and just like was moving up, and we are getting dragged along with it, and then we were chopping before market opened. Market opened and continued to chop. I was hoping September PA would be better, but so far, I mean, it's a little better. We had a good day yesterday, the day before as well, just no setup on Wednesday or Tuesday, sorry. There was actually a good amount of setups Wednesday. I saw everybody, bro. I saw so many people using the same strategy as me, taking so many different setups, and they all won. They were all really good setups, but all right. Yeah, more is tweaking, bro. Yeah, I did. I went. I went Saturday. I wanted to meet. Oh, am I allowed to say this on YouTube, or would it be considered like racist? Oh my gosh, I was just gonna ask Toji something. It's just 15-minute. I would say it, but we can't get demonetized. Bro, I did not touch the 15-minute. A pack? No, I got one of the free ones. Why? What's is it like special? I usually just use Rise. Oh, I didn't get a whole case. I got a free we got a couple free drinks, but we didn't get a whole case. Oh, that's the same company that owns Gorilla Mode. Bro, I didn't know that. I didn't know that. Another 5 minute inverse. Yeah, but this 5 minute is gonna hold the price up. This 15 minutes gonna hold the price up. All these 5 minutes are irrelevant. Unless you were looking for them to be filled when they were unfilled. Like if you took a short to them. Other than that, it doesn't matter because it's not highest time frame. Even this 15 minute right here could be holding. Honestly, I think just for the most part, today's price action is gonna be bad. Just based on what we've seen so far. We'll see what the macro gives us. We still have 10 minutes till the macro, and then we have after the macro, we have like another hour. So 5 minute longs, yeah, you're goofy, bro. Holy crap, bro. I mean, take it, bro. Take it. Who cares? Just take it, bro. It could work. Could. It could work. Uh Yeah, bro. Not Hattie. Take the long. Jackie, take the long. Oh, my camera died, bro. Why does my camera keep dying? Well, now I have no battery. Oh, I might have put the wrong battery pack in it. Wait. Wait. Am I cooked? Did I put the wrong battery pack in? Dodgy's longing. Dodgy's longing. I don't care. You're a gooner, bro. Shut up. I don't care what Dodgy's doing. Am I dodgy? No, I'm not dodgy. I cooked myself by putting the wrong battery inside my camera. This battery never wants to come out of the camera. Oh no, this is the battery I don't want to put in the camera. The battery never comes out of the camera. What is wow, bro? Me not caring that Dodgy would take a long of this 5 minute. Do we have like okay, they're not like good equal lows. We have equal lows at an unfilled 15 minute. Actually, no, these are better equal lows because they're not like really good, but I think yeah, bro, like unfilled 15, bro. Shit makes no sense, dude. Take it if you want, bro. We're in premium. We have no buy side. Just take it, bro. Delivery off of like okay, we are delivering off this 15 minute, but may equal lows at this 15 minute, bro. Just take the long, bro. Just take it. Just overtrade. Let's go. Let's go, bro. Let's just overtrade, bro. I'm not taking it. Hell no. But what was wow more? What you making, Tevin? I'm about to make food. This market blows. But this market does blow, bruh. Bro! Who took the 5 minute? Who took the 5 minute? Who took the 5 minute? Y'all are gonna get cooked. Y'all are gonna get cooked. And I'm gonna post this clip on TikTok. Y'all are gonna get cooked, and I'm gonna post this clip on TikTok. Oh, but Donji's taking it. Let's see, did he take it? I don't trust you guys. I feel like there's no way someone like he would take this, bro.
But
let me see.
I'm not in it.
See? He said he's not in it. Cooked! Let's see if this works or fails. Let's see. Kodiak protein pick. Yeah! Got you, bro. I got you, bro. Facts, bro. Kodiak protein pancakes, bro. Gas. You gotta get all the protein though. You gotta do the egg and the milk. I'm not gonna lie. I looked outside. I really think my dog. I think my dog like took a shit and missed the grass, and it's on the porch. Are we serious right now? Are we serious right now? This SMT at the lows could hold. This is the only thing that will help your setup here. Let's see if this SMT holds. Let's see. SMT. Oh. What's this? Oh. Oh. Is Ian getting on or what? Bro, I'm gonna call him one more time. If he doesn't answer, I'm not giving him my signals anymore. 2-minute bearish inverse, bro. What do we like? 5 minute closed above. That's a bullish sign. Now we're gonna short off of no delivery. Come on, bro. This SMT will be the only reason this setup works. Bro, if he doesn't answer, I'm not giving him my signals anymore. Screw him. Bro, when we start the Discord, he gotta lock in. He can't just like miss stuff, bro. Like if I'm like once we start the Discord, me and him are gonna probably do it like 50-50. Right? And yeah, dude, like if he got to cover the study session for a week or like the back testing, the daily review, he can't just go missing it, bro. Well, it's the server I already have. He's just gonna help me run the server. He's nonchalant. It's mainly my server for now, because he just started trading. But he's 2 months into trading and he's almost at a payout. Because I basically got him to not make any of the mistakes I made. It's my friend that I grew up with. He's my day one. We're not switching up on the day ones, guys. We're not switching up on the day ones. Bro, what is he talking about? But this kid just texted me. This is not Ian, by the way. Full sweep and tap until 5 minute with hella buying pressure. What 5 minute, dude? Talking about this 5 minute? Wait. Oh! Cut him off after 20. Oh, everybody is getting cooked. It went back up to stop out the people that took this short, and now it's coming back down to stop everybody out who took the long. Oh no. The only thing that would keep this up is literally just these SMTs formed at every low, dude. Another SMT. I know it wants to stop everybody out who took the long. I know it does. I know it does. I know it does. Now we broke the SMT. Now we got no SMT there. Come on. Make daddy proud. Make daddy happy. What TradingView subscription am I paying for? I pay for premium. Wait, Omar, did you take this? Am I like preying on your downfall right now? Am I preying on anybody's downfall right now? Oh, you break even? I'm assuming like here. Bro, don't let my conviction mess with your conviction, bro. Where am I from? I'm from Goonerville. My liquidity? I'm not TPing anywhere. I'm not TPing anywhere. I might not even take anything today. It's kind of looking like a no trade day. TBH, gang. TBH, gang. Friday got Logan Freaky. Bro, it's listen. I'll tell the situation, bro. It's like, all right. Listen. Well, I would use your stop loss to frame a setup if we generate LRL here. If we generated something like this and we like didn't sweep this high and then generated a high here, then swept it and got along, then maybe. Goonerville, yes, bro. That's where I'm from. Jose. All right. Wait, listen, bro. It's like, bro, listen. Here's the situation. So, in the future, when I buy my new house, I'm gonna have like an office room away from the bedroom. Right now, my room is next to my bedroom, right? So when my girlfriend spends the night and she is here, I can't be too loud because she's sleeping at 9 in the morning. But today she's not here. So yeah. Who is she? Um Bro, what? What type of question is that? Yeah, yeah, I'm gonna give you my girlfriend's Snapchat, bro. Bro said keep going. I'm almost there. Guys, come on, market makers. Don't make him more regret his decision of going break even. Don't make him more regret his decision. Chad is getting freaky as hell. Don't make him more regret his break even, bro. Dump to stop loss. I didn't get the whole discussion, chill. Logan, look at the bro. Oh, okay, bro. Yeah, bro. You guys are. What is going on today? Oh hell nah. iFVG, bro. What? No. What? Give them some ads. Let them think about the decision. No, I think it automatically does ads. I don't normally click it. Okay, still SMT at the low. Bro, ES is dumping here. Bro, I'm checking bro's location. He's at his house. Means he's probably sleeping. Bro, is there a way I can see his location history? I need to see if he's been to the gym yet today. He always goes to the gym early in the morning. Last active 5 hours ago. Why was he up at 4 in the morning? Are we serious right now? It's crazy. Yesterday's trade took us all the way up here to anybody held. Hell no. Wait, that was like low of like. Oh, it did. Look, I don't think anybody held that. There's no ads on YouTube Premium. No, I don't think it's on the main YouTube Premium. I think it's on like a cheaper version of YouTube Premium. Oh. Ah! 5 minute setup is dookie, and I don't care if Dodgy took it or not. I don't think he took it. I highly doubt he took that, but all right. We took out the equal lows, tapped into the 15-minute gap here. Let's do some quick analysis. Some quick analysis, guys. Oh, are we bullish here? Let's see. Are we bullish? Swept some buy side. Be bullish after sweeping some buy side. We have an hourly gap here, an unfilled. Well, now it's not unfilled. This is some quick analysis. All right. All right. Wait, what is this other gap for? Oh, yeah. We closed above. Really doesn't matter. Swept buy side. What hourly did we not close above? Wait. Oh, no, we did close above that one. Okay, good. We did not close above that. I don't want to be bullish here, dude. Honestly, I mean, it just turned 10 a.m. Kind of thinking sweep of data low long. But that would be so much distribution in AM, dude. That would be what? We had news, tenant, market opened here. That would be like 200 points or 170 points down. Then like what? Another like 50-point move back up. It's inside EQ now though. Did hit EQ there. But dude, there's like, I feel like there's not really anything to target here. Setup would be like this. It's not a bad break even, but like, yeah, it's pretty good. Let's see. I don't know how much I'd want to target external though. Data low is protected, but I feel like after taking out buy side, it might not be protected. I don't know. I don't really want to long against this data low. It's my thing, dude. I don't want to long against it. Could work, but like we didn't close above any hourlies. I mean, we did earlier, but when we took out buy side, I don't want to fade it, dude. I'd rather wait for a sweep of it than long, dude. I'm not wasting my week that I'm already green. I'm not screwing it up with this. And I'm pretty green for it being like a for us not having a Monday. For us only having 5 or 4 days. We are forming an OB here. If we close above. Let me see, is ES looking more bearish here? Does ES seem like it wants data lows? This is definitely looking more like it wants to take out these data lows. We have SMT here. Oh! Need life out of my freaking. Oh! Thank you, Peanut. I thank you so much. Bro, I can't. I can't. All right. I feel like price is just looking bearish here, dude. Okay, no SMT there anymore. That's a good bearish sign. No more SMT. We broke the bullish SMT. We broke it. We broke it. Oh my gosh, dude. That boy catch a quick trade and request that daily payout. Yeah, that's all I need. Cause I have it set up to where I can request it instantly. Cause I built a buffer there. I could target data low, but it's like a protected low. I'm not sure if it's protected anymore because we took buy side, but I don't really want to target it because it's a low that took out a low inside of a gap. So I would prefer we sweep it than get along. TBH. 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 To be honest. TBH. Bruh. But I want my daily payout. No way. This kid is posting Pokemon Go raids on his story. Why are you posting it on your story? Oh my gosh, bro. Bro. You know about hidden FVG? What's a hidden FVG, bro? These new terms are crazy. Oh shit. Yeah. I heard about hidden FVG, bro. Hidden FVG is like all right, go. Let's go on the 2 minute real quick. So you see how there's no fair value gap here? We just pick a spot and we just fuck it, bro. This is a 5 minute unfilled fair value gap that we're gonna target. Wait. My bad. HFVG. Sorry. Because you guys can't see it. You know, but like I want there to be a 5 minute fair value gap here, so there is one. You guys understand? Everybody should understand this concept. I just want there to be one here, so now there is. All right? Pretty simple concept. All right, guys? All right, good stuff, guys. Good stuff, guys. Wait, why does it say buy side? 100% win rate. Facts, dude. Facts. You know, bro. Bro, screw it, bro. I'm gonna put the hidden data low here. Now we're looking for longs. To the hidden for right, yeah. Perfect long here, guys. Mech model long here. Alright. Stop loss at the low. And we're gonna use the hidden inverse for value gap. Alright, guys. Alright, guys. This is the setup we're doing here. Let's see if we get a close above the iFVG. Targeting. Actually, I want the hidden inverse to be a little bit smaller so I have a better risk to reward. Alright, guys. Let's get this, guys. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it, guys. Let's see if this works. So I gotta blow my nose, but if I blow my nose, it's gonna start bleeding. I get nosebleeds really easily. Yeah, for real, bro. You know, guys, this is kind of a crappy risk to reward. I want to move the hidden inverse for right gap down here so we can get like, yeah, that looks good. He woke up at 7, felt like shit, went back to sleep, but forgot to set an alarm. Bruh. No, why are we not getting my hidden inverse for value gap set up? Anyways, let's look for data lows, guys. Oh my gosh, dude. Thank you. Someone telling me something important. 60 baddies. What about 60 baddies? Obvious it was going to take data low. Obvious it was going to take data low is crazy. I don't know what type of subjective trading that is, but it's insane. I wasn't trading this because ES at all-time highs and we got data lows below, but data lows protected. So they're like complete opposites right now. ES wants to go up because it's all-time highs, but we got data lows below. And then at the same time, it's a data low, but it's a protected data low. It's just I don't know what type of subjectivity that is. Okay, so now we close below the 5 minute, the 15 minute? Yeah, 15 minute. What do you mean by protected? It's a low that took a low inside of a gap. So we got like this low. Obviously took London low as well. But London low wasn't inside this gap. We had like a 15 minute here as well. Yeah, really tiny 15 minute. Could also say it took London low inside the hourly. Oh, wait, where's the 4 hour? Yeah, London low took the low inside London low inside the 4 hour. But yeah. Definitely not say that was an obvious data low. Spend 0.3 on 5 combines and pass 1 my fund in future on top step. It's not bad. So I'm definitely gonna look for something off this data low. We have this 5 minute. Obviously no 15s. 3 minute will possibly be here if we get it. The price is gonna distribute to data lows. Yeah, I don't really care. Yeah, you got it on like a 20% win rate, 5 minute iFVG, bro. I do not care. You got on like a 20% win rate setup. Get a 1.6R, and again, like I literally posted yesterday, nothing matters unless you get the payout, bro. Unless you get payouts, P&L doesn't matter, the win doesn't matter, the RO doesn't matter. Nothing matters unless you're getting payouts. %20 win rate. Dude, you took the first 5 minute gaps. You took the first 5 minute inverse out of 2 15 minutes, an hourly, and like 6 5 minutes. That is 100% like 0%, like 20% win rate, bro. I'm telling you. You'll learn, bro. You'll learn, bro. Trust me. I learned too, bro. I went through it. So we took out data lows here. And it's a protected data low, so I don't even understand what you're talking about. Let me see. 100%, bro? Wait. Ian's finally on. Hey, what's up?
Yeah.
We just took out data low, so we can finally look for something.
Yeah, bro, I was not waking up earlier. I woke up at like 7 and I felt like shit.
No,
I
you're good.
forgot to set an alarm back.
Look at this, bro. Someone in my chat is telling me that shorts to data low were so obvious. Like we didn't have like, because he entered on like this 5 minute or something. Like I don't know what he entered on, but he said he entered on a 5 minute inverse. There's a 15 minute, an hourly, and then like 6 5 minutes. And I told him that it's probably gonna be like a 20% win rate if he keeps taking stuff like that. And he's like he's saying it's not. I'm like, bruh. Makes no sense. And data low was like a protected low, but it's all good. You'll learn is crazy. Don't have the alpha. I didn't take the 5 minute. I'm talking about the alpha guy, bro. Normal FVG is between first and third. Hidden means gap between the first and the second. What? Holy cope? I'm not coping with anything, dude. I'm very green on the week. I don't need any trades today. Southwood dropping lower. Yeah. Between there's a first and second candle, third candle. So the gap between the first and fourth candle is hit, bro. Yo. Are we making things up now, dude? I'm actually so confused. Wait. So if I do this, this is considered a hidden fair value gap. Wait. Boom. This would be a hidden fair value gap. Yeah, dude. This makes sense. Between the first, second, third, fourth. Wait. Fourth, it would be this, wouldn't it? Omar fighting back.
Look at the
Facts, bro.
chart. There's a 1 minute right now.
Yeah, I know. I like this 1 minute. I do like this 1 minute a lot. Is the highest time frame? Oh shit, it inversed here. It would be 7 cons. Is it the highest time frame though? No, 3. Or yeah, it would be highest time frame. It would be yeah, it would be targeting 3 minute. We can enter from a from like a better spot down here if you want.
There's a 5 minute unfilled you could target. No, there's a lot of stuff.
There's a 3 minute unfilled we could
just
target.
Yeah, we just put in this 5 minute like a minute and a half ago.
Alright, I'm in here with 8.
Yeah.
Yeah. Targeting the 3 minute unfilled gap. Let me see real quick.
I'm not in yet.
Are we delivering off anything? Yeah, we are. We're delivering off a 4 hour. This is a really good entry, to be honest. We have a 5 minute above that we could target. This might be a stop out, but we'll see. Damn, this would be a fast stop out. Got a really good entry though.
It's gonna be lower risk if you get stopped out than it normally would.
Yeah. Yeah, so there's a stop out there. We're delivering off anything? Holy cope. I'm a dingus. Yeah, bro. Okay. I want to see us go deeper into the fire because you got equilibrium to overnight in the middle of that gap. We have this one here, yeah. I really felt like that was gonna be a soup of the Asia low. We weren't in any gaps there. So we are close to forming a 5 minute here. This 1 minute. I think one more sweep paid for information though. Yeah, I guess. We have this 15 minute here that we could look for delivery off of him if we tapped it. That's an hourly as well. I think the delivery there was kind of trash. I shouldn't have taken it because there was no delivery off anything, but yeah, nice trade, bro. Okay. I don't really care, dude. A single loss doesn't mean anything. Now we have, okay, we tapped into this, possible 2 minute. And you see the 2 minute? Ian?
What?
You see the 2 minute?
I can't. I'm looking at your thing.
But I did de-risk there a little bit. Alfie smiling hard. Yeah, I can tell, bro. Just because I didn't take anything stupid to data lows. Definitely have to go. Wait, is it 6? Yeah, we have to do 5 on this. You see the 2 minute in? Oh, wait. Oh, you should be able to see it on my screen share.
Yeah, XLS got an ad.
Or I'm screen sharing.
Yeah, I don't want to see stronger bullish confirmation though.
But yeah, if we get the 2 minute inverse.
If we do get the
We're
two,
delivering
that
off
would
the
be good.
hourly. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, the 2 minute. Might get a 3 minute here, actually. It's putting in a 15 minute. Yeah, we are close to putting in a 15 minute here. Tapped into the 15 minute and the hourly.
Bro, did Dodgy take a 15-minute inverse?
Probably. So we just formed a 3 minute here. What? Oh, 1200. All right. All right, we'll see about this. Stop us at that low. Estimate this for about 200. See the 3 minute in?
Yeah, I do.
That's good. Do we have a 4 minute? Ooh, we might put in a 4 minute here actually. 4 minute might be the highest time frame. All right, 4 minute is going to be the highest time frame here. If we get it.
It's like
This
the
would be-
same gap though, right?
Yeah. Full TP would be the 15 minute here. My headphones turn off. I'm gonna go ahead and do my journal real quick while we wait. You got 4 minutes here. They might not get anything to this. But yeah. See about maybe this next hourly. Are we really coming for previous day low here? Okay, so the setup would now be this 30-second. It's a new leg. Break even would probably be that 3 minute. Be 5. Be something like this. Because no, well yeah, I was saying it made, you said it was like easy shorts. It didn't really make any sense to short from there. Weren't delivering off anything or anything. Yeah, but we whole group bullish leg for the iFVG. How would you have done it? What do you mean? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Okay, so that is now a 5 minute. Dude, we are just getting nothing right now. Doesn't make sense for your model, bro. Wake up, you sound so dumb. Okay, then don't come in my stream, bro. I don't trade your model. So I don't care. Yeah. That's pretty much it, bro. I don't know what else to say. Check something real quick. All right. It's 10 a.m. I forgot to mark that out. Holy crap, dude. We might not put a high on the 10 a.m. candle. Yeah, that was a really small loss. No one said to trade my model, but calling me stupid for catching those is wild. Should use your payouts to get a nose job? Sure, bro. Dude, there's no way you're this mad because I said it's stupid, bro. Because I said it's a protected low. It's crazy. Bro, guys, it's not that serious. I don't really care. So that has to be like there for 200. Just looking to see if we get this Mac model. Because that last one was a Mac model. We're looking to see if we get another one here. Bruh. Said box fight me. Bruh. Yeah, bro. Omar, drop the Fortnite montage. Wait, I forgot to post that setup. Where's my fill? Okay, we're not really getting this right now. Five-minute. Yo, Ian, you see the 30-second I'm talking about, right? We are kind of chopping you, though.
Yeah, I do. Are you dumping so hard? I don't know, dude. Looks like we're chopping around this hourly gap right now. I guess that last one wasn't really that good because the delivery wasn't that good. We were at this, like, it was a valid setup, but We weren't really delivering off of this really that clean. We didn't really have any delivery. I should have closed when I saw there was no delivery, but I shouldn't have even entered without checking for delivery, to be honest. Valid setup might add this L. I'm just better. Bro is so mad that I said his setup's not that good. Bro's getting cocky off of a what you said, a 6R trade? A single 6R trade? Is this time distortion? Yeah, probably. Just dude, what are we doing? Can I mod Omar? No. I don't really give people mod. Okay, let's see about this. We
I don't
we
think
go
he
to
was
resweep
being
here.
serious.
This is a 30-second fair value gap strong. Well, this one seems to be holding pretty well. Generating some liquidity here. Obviously, it's just 30 seconds, so I would use it as a target, but I definitely want to get this set up before the next 15-minute forms. Because my full TP would be at that 15-minute. Those two candles looked good for a second, but now price is coming back down. Yeah, let me know if anything. Oh. It's going to go to the bathroom, but price is coming up. Okay, after this 30, if this 30-second, I'm going to wait. That was some good momentum. That was a good close. We'll see if we get it here. I think we put a guess kind of like a little CISD here. An order block. But 30-second fakes out a lot. You can say about any time frame. The market's fractal as a whole. If we were to get it, stop would be there. You're trading reversal. It will never be profitable long term. Bruh. What happens if you're in a continuation setup, J paddle, and it reverses? What if it reverses every time you enter into a continuation? That just makes no sense. Just join. What are you looking for? So market goes down forever, Jay. Yeah. Dude, I don't even know at this point, dude. We have this low from yesterday. Is this yesterday? Yeah, this is yesterday. I was looking for delivery off of one of these gaps, but I did take a loss earlier. Seems like we're close to putting in a new 15-minute here. Seems it would be right where the nope, that's below where the 5-minute is. So we formed a new one here. I don't even know if we would consider this delivery at this point. Okay, we did tap into this last hour. We did tap into this next hourly here. We formed a little bit of LRL here. Just lower time frame. We have this. Just target like this with no partials. Where would the new 15-minute be if we put it in? Be right at the top of the LRL too. All right, we'll see here. Ian, are you taking this?
No.
Okay, can you tell
I'm
me?
not.
Can you tell me if it inverses on NQ as well?
On what is it? The 30-second?
Yeah. Oh wait, yeah, you can't look.
Yeah, I won't know. Sorry.
Oh, it did invert. It inversed here, but dude, that is
I
not a
feel
good
like it's
reaction.
so choppy, dude. It's just. I just feel like it's
Yeah.
a really bad. What's it called?
Yeah, dude, what is
I feel
going
like
on
it's
with
such bad
this?
price action right now. I don't know.
Yeah, it is definitely.
Would not take this.
Think about trying to take
It's also
a
a 30-second. Like
FVG cut.
that's the only confirmation that we'd be biased. It's a 30-second
Yeah.
inverse.
Dude, what is
And, like,
going
on the
on
1
right
minute
now,
just
dude?
looks chopped. I don't know. I
Might
really
end this
doubt
week
I'd
with
take much.
with that loss. Yeah, that loss was so bad. 35%
Just
to
still up, like-
trees right now. Wait. Cap is. Bro, 35%. Bro, 35% is not bad if it's a high RR though. Yeah, this 1 minute is horrible. Bro. Jade Patel, do you not know that other people have different strategies? That's just how trading is. Okay, we are close to PM lows here. I mean, PM low isn't really that important to me though. It would be like what at this hourly gap? If we do get some movement in this last macro, we could get something here. Let me see. Okay, it's actually below it. Damn. We have nothing. We have no gaps below it. We are close to putting in this next 15-minute here. Just mark it out. Dude, this is such bad PA. Enjoy what's happening. SMT low, it's just a fib pullback. Check 3 hour gap. Why would I check 3 hour, dude? What? Yeah. I still don't know why I would check 3 hour. Yeah, there's no gaps on the 1 minute. Bro,
I don't know. I'm gonna even look at this much longer. I might get off.
All right, we're inside of this. Just typed into this last hourly gap here. I'm assuming, yeah, we did just close this 15-minute. The last thing I would look for would be PA inside of this macro. So we actually did form a really, really tiny 3-minute here. One minute, we do have a possible 1 minute here. So 1 minute is pretty obvious. Maybe a sweep of this low would be really good. So we do have this 1 minute. Your stats with the strategy. If you should average RR. RR is probably like 1 to 2. And then win rate is probably like a 70, 80. A sweep of this low would be pretty good just because it's a session low. It's inside of that 5-minute gap as well. So that would form a protected low here if we took it. %, 2R. Nice. I don't know what you want me to say, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Really don't know, dude. Wants my approval. Apparently, yeah. Apparently, a lot of people want my approval just because I'm on YouTube. It makes no sense. So I don't have 5 minutes. Just this 3-minute and the 15-minute. Let me check ES real quick. Actually, I haven't been looking at ES this whole time. Mic issue? I don't know, dude, because a lot of people have been telling me I don't have mic issues, dude. Bro, we have massive SMT here, dude. Mic is still a little quiet. Oh, wait, this should be better. All right, we have this 3-minute here. We have SMT at the lows. Unfilled 3-minute, unfilled 15-minute. We would be putting in an OB here if we do inverse it. This would be 7 cons up to like 40. It's 9 points away from sweeping away previous day low. Yeah. Might be too close to sell side at this point. Just start a 10K course, bro. Put your opinions there. Yeah, for real. So we just swept the sell side here. Did ES take out previous day low? No, not yet. Let me mark it out real quick. Not previous day low, but previous AM low. We took out this low here. We have a 1 hour gap here. I'd have to go down a contract again. It's going to be sick. We'll see about this long here. Some good momentum. And I'm in there. Again, stop loss at this low. And let me make sure it closed on NQ as well. Yeah, it did close on NQ. That's good. Going to do partial here. And then boom. All right. You watch NQ. 3-minute. 15-minute. Okay, let me make sure NQ hasn't hit it yet. I just want to make sure I want to base my stuff on NQ. So once this hits this, I'll just move break even. Check ES. Not ES. All right, so we hit it there. Stop loss is now break even. Dude, maybe partial should have been at this 3-minute, dude. Dude, I'll leave it here at 1 hour, wherever 1 hour was. Not gonna be emotional partials at 1 hour. Shoot, dude, I meant to leave it here. Sorry, I want to drag the green thing, but not the TP. Okay, that's partials there. Confirm. Stop break even. Again, looking for the run of this little 30-second LRL here and the retracement of this 15-minute gap. All right. For a total of 2R. This is now a risk-free trade with partials at this 3-minute. Looking for this 15-minute for a full take profit. All right. Let me check with NQ. Okay, NQ has not hit it. All right. Want to base my stuff off of NQ. It's just hard because I'm not on NQ for my trade. It would suck if this doesn't hit because we would end like red, but it would end red like $100. This is some pretty like
simple LRL here that I do want us to run. I don't really want to trade emotionally. Because don't get me wrong, I do want to do a full TP here at the 1R, dude. I really do, because that'll make me break even on the day. But I'm gonna follow the setup I have drawn out here, and seems like we're probably gonna be break even here. And yeah, break even. All right, what are we on the day? Down 100 something. Not really that bad. Should have just done full TP at this at the 1R, to be honest, with this 3 minute, but I wanted some of this LRL here. Now watch it, bro. Watch it continue up. That would be annoying just because I wanted it for my Peanut. My name is not Peanut, but okay. But it was a partial TP. I don't know where you got like no TP, but okay. Or break even. But so I will send this to the Discord as well. Wait, let me get rid of this for the screenshot. Label this iFVG. Okay. All right, so I'm probably going to be done for the week here. Ending this week up 2R still, because we're pretty much break even on the day. I'm down like 100. Still up 2R on the week. I can, what is the balance on this account? All right. So I am going to give myself a daily payout here just from some stuff from yesterday. Send my request. Let me see. We probably ran previous day low now at this point. I don't really think I'm going to take anything else though. No, we did not run previous day low. Damn. Okay. I think a full TP at that should have been what I should have done. But yeah. Jay, why did you enter the live? Just hating, bro. Just enjoy. Yeah, I don't know, bro. Don't get me wrong, that first setup was kind of shitty. I mean, but we got to learn from it. I'm going to put in my journal. I already screenshotted it, everything. Just didn't have any good delivery there. But yeah. This second setup was a lot better, had momentum. Should have done just TP at the 1R. But yeah, I mean, I think we kind of added to the LRL, I'm not going to lie. But yeah. Just because of the fact that I was red on the day, I should have taken full TP there for a like just to end a little green there, because I would have been green there by about like $200. But yeah, let me see how long it takes for me to get my payout accepted by TPT. Yeah, I'm not gonna take any other trades today. Today was such a bad day, and I'm happy that I was still able to end up at least like green or break even, pretty much.
All right. Just sent something else to the Discord real quick. Just a little follow up thing. But yeah, pretty much it for today. I'm not gonna take anything else, dude. But yeah, I'm glad I ended up basically break even here. We're down like what? This is 170. Definitely better than being negative. It's really honestly not that much of a difference, dude, to be honest. A single win next week will make up for all of today. But yeah, pretty much it. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get off. Real prove I'm logging out right here. Boom. Logged out. Done for the day, guys. Closing that. I'll see you guys next week. Actually, study session in the Discord on Sunday for free. We're not doing the premium Discord yet, so the study session will be free. Gonna host it in the Discord, and I'll see you guys there hopefully. And yeah.